In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on Snapchat. We will walk through a few different ways, so follow along and match what you see on your screen as we go. First, open Snapchat. Once it loads, you should see the camera view with the big circular shutter button at the bottom and icons around it. If you are on another screen, use the icons at the bottom to come back to the main camera so your screen matches mine before moving on. Now take a photo or record a video. You can tap the shutter button once for a photo, or hold it to record a video. When you finish, Snapchat jumps you straight into the editing screen, where you see text, stickers, and drawing tools along the right side. On the editing screen, tap the paperclip icon. It usually appears on the right side with the other tools. When you tap it, a new screen or panel opens, where you can add or choose a website link, paste or type the website URL you want to share. If you already copied a link, tap the field and choose Paste so it drops in. You can also start typing, and your recent or suggested sites may appear below. Beginners sometimes forget the website must be reachable, so make sure the address looks correct, like a normal web page you would open in a browser. Tap Attach to Snap. After you do this, Snapchat returns to your editing screen. Now the paperclip icon should look highlighted, showing the link is attached. Nothing else changes on your picture or video, which can confuse new users, but the link is now stored in that icon. Send the snap to friends or post it to My Story. You can choose specific friends, groups, or your story from the send screen. When your viewers open it, they can swipe up or tap the link indicator to open the website in their browser. They never need to type the address themselves, which makes it much easier to share long links. Next, share a link in chat. Start by copying the website link on your device. For example, copy it from your browser, an email, or another app, so it is ready on your clipboard. Open Snapchat and go to the chat screen. At the bottom icons, choose the one that shows your recent conversations. Here you see a list of friends and groups with their last message or snap. Open the conversation with the friend or group. The chat window shows messages, snaps, and any previous links you exchanged. Tap the message box at the bottom so the keyboard appears, ready for you to type or paste. Paste the link into the message box, then tap Send. The link appears in the conversation as a clickable preview or as plain text, depending on the site. The recipient can tap the link to open it in their browser right away, without leaving the chat permanently. Now share a Snapchat snap or memory with a public link. Open the snap or memory you want to share. You can pick one from your memory screen, such as a saved snap or a story clip. It will open full screen with controls overlaid. Tap the link button. Snapchat copies a public shareable link to your clipboard. You do not see a huge pop-up, but you may see a small confirmation near the bottom saying the link has been copied. Paste and send the link through Snapchat, another messaging app, email, or social media. You can drop it into chats, group messages, or even post it on other platforms. Note that anyone with the link can view the shared content until the link expires, typically around 36 hours, or you delete the link, so avoid sharing anything too private. You just learned how to share website links in snaps and chats, plus create public links for your snaps and memories. If this helped you get your links out on Snapchat more easily, give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like tips like this, consider subscribing.